How are you now? James Whelan, occasional talking head for smallcaps.com.au, day 3 of the Noosa Mining Conference. I'm joined here with a very interesting story. I know a little bit about some of these things. I've covered one of these stocks before in the past life. I've got James Marsh here with me from Zeotech Limited. James, how are you now?
Good morning, James. Nice to meet you.
Now, it's all about Kaolin, which is difficult to pronounce, but why don't you walk us through what you've got here for us?
Yeah, this is kaolin, but this is no ordinary kaolin. This is the purest form of kaolin in the world. I'm confident in saying that nothing else is known like this in the world. So we have a super pure kaolin. We have no losses at all in our process. It's so good that we can sell the raw ore and starting from next year and make about $12 million in year one with an $8 billion investment. That's just to start the business off.
And so not theoretically, it's used in the production of concrete?
It's not normally. It's used in concrete, and it's been used historically to give much better durability. So it makes concrete last decades longer, maybe hundreds of years longer. But if you use enough of it, you can also decarbonise concrete, and that's what we're doing.
So what you'd call green concrete, because it burns a bit cleaner.
Because cement is where all the carbon is in concrete. 80% of the carbon in concrete is cement. Our material is economic. And it's also high reactivity, so we can replace up to 50% of the cement with 80% lower carbon footprint.
Which means, look at what we've got here, dude. Yeah.
And we can produce concrete that's double the strength, half the shrinkage. So it means that you can cut costs as well. So we can make concrete cheaper, greener, and way better in performance.
Okay. Well, I look forward to seeing what's more ahead. The offtake agreement that you've got in place as well is going to be very supportive through 2026.
Well, we get cash flow comes very early next year. That's the raw ore, but we also have MOUs in place with Holcim, Cement Australia, and now Laing O'Rourke. So we've got materials, engineering, and supply chain MOUs all signed up. This is for the cement replacement in concrete.
Okay. Well, thanks very much for running us through that, James. It's a fascinating company. Zeotech, probably one to put on your watch list, I'd say. So have a look at that. Anything else from the mining conference so far this week?
No, just a great interest here. Yeah, we've certainly got a lot of new shareholders who come up and bought shares right away.
So I can imagine that would have been the case. I'd say so. Yeah, put one for your watch list, guys. James Whelan for Small Caps. Have a good one.